going to do Primitive Technology, which is a really good YouTube channel who built things like this with sticks and water. But they actually have clay, so I can't do it. Okay, I wonder if they do this on their property. No, but let's watch. See, he just made that. Now he's chopping down a tree. Well, it seems like he's not destroying much of the forest. Okay, you're fine. But this is the first video I found. It's really cool. Okay, made it. They must work really hard for this. Because he's building a house. And now he's putting that up there. This is really cool. Now he's poking a hole in it. Poking a hole in its clay. What's that supposed to be? I think that's mud, maybe? Oh, is it like a little drain? I think maybe it's a drain. Wait, no, maybe it's somewhere for smoke to come out of a fire. And yep, that's either clay or mud. Yeah, that's definitely mud. Geez, they also, he must be extremely patient because I'm gonna wait for all this mud to dry. But I'll tell you one thing, I've seen dried up mud, and it's not just dirt. If you got good mud and it's dried up, it is really strong. So I can see why he's using it. Now you're breaking your stick. Yay. Yay. I'm surprised they don't time-lapse this. I mean, they do cut out some parts. But if they didn't, it'd be forever. Some dirt, some mud. And some more dirt. So now you've got your sheet of dried mud. I think you may actually have dirt that you don't normally find. Maybe soon I'll do... Wait, maybe he's gotten the dirt that's deeper down, the brown dirt. I've never tried making that into mud. Okay, why are you just making tons of sheets of this? At this point, I don't get it. Oh, okay. That could be a use of it. Now you're gonna let them burn. Okay. you're using sticks to move other sticks. Jeez, that must be extremely hard. Oh. Yeah, maybe I'll make another video. By the way, this is my first premiere. My original first one, it's gonna take me a while because I've gotta be in the mood to add pictures to my computer to make my kittens a YouTube channel. But I said I'd do it. For my kittens, their YouTube channel still doesn't have a good picture. Okay. Cool, you're just building. Okay, it's been like 10 minutes. I just want to tell you this. It's been like 10 minutes, and 10 minutes ago, it was pitch black outside, and now it's so bright outside. I don't know what happened in that 10 minutes. Something happened. Now he's making some shingles for his house. Get the firewood. Yeah, you see there, he's mixing different types of dirt, I think, to make it mixing gray dirt, the dirt I have in my yard, with brown dirt, and then putting it in, and then the mud comes out differently. I may try this soon. Maybe Sunday, because on Monday I'm leaving for Oklahoma. I know people who live in Oklahoma. Okay, cool. What if I got my own laptop for my birthday? Because my birthday is actually today. What if I got my own laptop that was new so I could easily give you guys good content like face cams and stuff? Okay, this is cool. So, in the premiere, you're probably going to see me chatting to you, unless you don't ever find this. But I know someone's gonna watch this because I've had a lot of views on most of my videos. And Rainbow's surprisingly cool. But I want you to chat out, say, do you think this is extremely satisfying and cool for me? I bet they sharpen the rock though. So I can't make my own map. Self-defense. Axe attack. Just think, they've made this giant house. Who's filming this? Honestly, I'll tell you guys one thing. I do not believe that they actually live in the houses they make. Maybe they stay in them, but their actual house is probably somewhere. Maybe not near here, but it still looks cool. And they probably got someone with them, because how else would the camera be moving that? It's not like they're just gonna constantly do that. I mean, they weren't in it, but sometimes they're in it like this. So it's either, oh my gosh, what did you just do? It's either they're leaving the camera there, or, yeah. Probably why they continuously cut it out every camera shot. Cool. Building your walls of your house. Okay, cool. But if I don't chat with you, that means I probably am maybe doing another video or something. We're celebrating my birthday because it takes a while. I'm not gonna wait all day. Maybe I'll find out a way to make an app that notifies me. See when I upload my premieres if someone's watching. I don't know. So then I'd always know if someone's watching. Okay. Cool. I'll tell you guys if I officially figure out how to make the mud that they're using to build a house. I think I know. So now they're making a door. How the heck do you make a functional door like that? How in the world did they just make this? I'm surprised. Cool. Your house is doing pretty well. I'll tell you that. It's the rest of the video just you showing us your house. Oh, we got sap. We caught a stick on fire. Fire's dripping from that stick. I say you should get some candles in there. Find a wick and continually get some candles, because other than that, or you add a window. Then you can sleep at night, and at day you can see everything. This is honestly really cool. Well, bye guys, and I will see you next time on this, because my video length is almost too long. So bye guys, and I'll see you soon.